I'm your knitting teacher. Welcome to lesson 1 of my beginner knitting course. Hello, welcome to lesson 2, welcome to lesson 3, welcome to lesson 4 and the last lesson of my beginner knitting course. Some great news to start with. There are only 2 stitches in knitting. Now in terms of your swatches, I want to see them. That's a nice sound, isn't it? Steady. Within an hour I was like, it's that simple. And people who aren't knitters think you're an absolute genius. Great. We did it. Everyone breathing? Good.